Good afternoon, boys. Another instalment of our life skills. Today what we're concentrating on is how to be a gentleman. You know, something at St Brendan's we really pride ourselves on is the boys who finish at St Brendan's are true gentlemen, gentle yet manly. So today's about actually providing some tips, knowing that we've got formals coming up. How do we go about ensuring that we do the gentlemanly thing? So we've got two outstanding human beings that everybody knows as part of St Brendan's, and that is Cara and Bartlett. And so they've kindly taken up the invitation to walk you through what we consider an important part of life skills in how to look after and treat people with respect. Thanks very much.
Afternoon, boys. Because we got the formal coming up, I thought here's an opportunity for us to just show you just some etiquette on how to come out and how to escort your young lady as you come along to your big day, and hopefully it will happen at the end of this year. So I've got out of the car, drove in beautifully, make sure the car is really nice and pretty and you've organised this. I'm just going to go and get my partner out and we'll see how we go. Make sure from here, turn around, help your assistant with assistance, getting your partner out, close the door, make sure right hand down and then hold the hand, and then we walk down, we stand around about here, and Mrs Hedges will be here taking photographs, official ones, as well as all your parents and grandparents that will be here, and also the other boys. Okay, so you've had your first photo that Mrs Hedges will take. As you're walking down, you're going to have the red carpet here. You're going to have people on both sides. Just look, enjoy it, walking down, keep looking straight down. There's going to be times when people say, oh, Mr Bartlett, Mrs Bartlett, Cara, Peter, just stop here, look around, enjoy it. There's going to be a lot of people here, the lights are going to be on, the music's going to be blaring, so just really enjoy it. Don't try and be rushing it down there. You've got about 100 metres to get down from the top to down where all the other boys and girls are going to be there. So enjoy it, you know, make sure you say hello to people as you come down. Right, so we've just come out of from Pool Park. We've been mingling. Mr Ganane has just lined us all up, and he's going to introduce us as we come through alphabetically. So because I'm a Bartlett and my name's Caleb Bartlett, I'm going to be about the 5th person up, and I'm on my way to meet the principal, and this is the sequence of what happens when you talk to Mr Callboy when you have your photo. So we come up, we've been introduced, we stand here, we have our photos taken by Mrs Hedges again. Also the parents will be out there able to take some photos. You'll be on a platform and you'll go from one side to the other, and then you go from there. So we come up and I come over and say, hello Mr Callboy, Peter Bartlett here, welcome. This is my partner Jessica, and Jessica is hoping to go to uni at QU.
Fantastic, Jessica, lovely to meet you. So what are you going to be doing at university?
Marine biology.
Fantastic, and so you're a local here and obviously used to the reef and spend a lot of time on the water?
Yes.
Fantastic. Oh, enjoy the night, guys, it's fantastic. You look wonderful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright, and then after we've seen Mr Callboy, we then come over, open up, pull the chair out, get your partner, make sure that she's comfortable, and then put the chair in. Yep, she'll say yes. And then you come over, and you sit down on your chair, and do not do this. Start talking with your partner and say, oh, isn't this so exciting? Looking forward to it. Thank you very much for being my partner tonight. Alright, so guys, you've seen the flow off of what happens when you go to a formal. Now I'm going to go through and show you some tips on what you shouldn't be doing with your partner or yourself on this special day. So let's see how we go. Alright, so here we are, guys. These are some of the things that you shouldn't be doing when you come to the formal. If you've got earrings, probably not a good thing. Even though the bling, hey, I'm talking, wait there. Make sure your attire looks good. Make sure you've got your tie by yourself. Shoes and socks. Maybe try and make sure that you look pretty smart, okay? Maybe make sure you bring your partner from the car. Don't need sunglasses, it's not going to be hot out. Hello. Alright, now that you've found your partner, right, when you put your hand,
We're not here.
do not hold it this way, please, guys. You will see it on all the formals and all the school magazines. Do not have your hand through the girl's elbow, okay? It's just not the darn thing. As we're walking down, just quickly, just keep going. Just, you know, yeah. You know, this is what it's all about. You know, we're not here to you know, it's a race. That's what it's about, okay? You know, you're here to just get down as quickly as possible. Don't even bother worrying about anyone and go from there. Alright, so we've just been introduced to Mr. Cowboy, and this is how not to sit down with your partner. You're looking good, brother. How you going? You alright? Peace out. Really?